Gada Durgam, and today we're going to learn how to spread topsoil. Topsoil is used when you're ready to install new sod. It is not recommended for plants or trees. Due to the density of topsoil, it holds moisture in place. This can become breeding ground for fungus, insects, and other problems with your plants and trees. So topsoil is strictly to be used when you're ready to install new sod. Now, the first step is to figure out how much topsoil you'll need for a particular area. Soil is sold both in bags and by the yard. So if it's a small area, it might be more convenient to buy it by the bag and make the spreading process a lot easier on you. But when you're trying to cover a large area like this, it's best to buy it by the yard. It'll save you a lot of money. Now that we've determined how much soil we need for this area, we're ready to spread it. All you need is a rake and a good strong back. The best thing to do is to actually take wheelbarrows and place them strategically so it makes it easier for you to spread it throughout the yard. So you take your rake and you start to spread your soil with a nice hard rake like. So while you're spreading this, you want to try and get an even surface, providing about 2 to 3 inches of new soil for your new sod. As you could see, it took only minutes to spread this topsoil evenly as we did here, and we're prepared it for our new sod. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Gada Durgam. Look forward to seeing you real soon.